Good morning, lovely fourth graders. Today, I want to teach you about area. Area is the number of unit squares needed to cover a surface. Area can be measured in square meters, square centimeters, square inches, square feet, or square yards. In this example, we see a rectangle that has 4 feet and 5 feet measurements. When you find the area of a rectangle, you multiply the length times the width. So we're going to multiply 4 times 5. And 4 times 5 is equal to 20. When we write out the actual unit square measurement, it will be 20 square. And we're going to look at the measurement square feet. Okay, let's try another one. For this one, we're trying to find the missing length. They've given us the area, which is 12 square inches, and now we are missing the length of this shape. So in order for us to find the missing part, we can do two things. We can say, because we know that the area is length times width, and we're missing the length, we can say, what number times 6 is equal to 12? We can say that, or we can simply do 12 divided by 6 is equal to what number? And that is what's going to give us our missing length, either this one or this one. So it doesn't matter which one you choose to do to find a missing length. I'm going to choose what number times 6 is equal to 12. And I know my 6 times table, 6 times 1 equals 6, 6 times 2 equals 12. So the missing number would be 2. So 2 times 6 equals 12. So my missing inches would be 2 inches. And the answer to this question would be 2 inches. One last one. Find the area of a square. Now remember, we said that area is length times width. But in a square, they only gave us the width. So how do we determine the length? So if you remember about squares, all of the sides are equal in a square. So in that case, if this is 6 meters, this is 6 meters, this is 6 meters, so therefore this length is 6 meters. And now that I identified the measurement of this length, I can now multiply 6 times 6, which is going to give me 36. So the area is equal to 36, not meters, square meters. Okay, hope this helps. Let me know. Have a great day.